Back in the days, the church, the gatherings were part of the strategic planning. And my father was very vigilant not to hide these things because the question was, how do I remember my dad? He had to prepare us just in case we are wise enough to remember. He didn't need ukuthi asifake ngenhloko so that we become angry. He had his wisdom to say, if they see, they will act. So ndikhawulela kule nto ukuthi the part uNelson Mandela azofika ndifuna ukwazi bufike kanjani. So we have this house ekhaya esingahlali kwesihlala kwaMamswazi thina. Because we have to be safe. My dad is out there. Safe thina no Mamswazi because Mamswazi is forever working.
Yes.
Wala every day kwaMamswazi.
So kaloku uyasebenza
umamdala, understand. So apha ekhaya kunama weapons. These people have weapons that they made themselves, the weapons that they need for anything. So Inkatha knows are very aware or very well what they need to target on. Okay, I'll tell you in a second what happened. So this is how it happens. Then there's still that issue of Swaneville massacre. There's this issue that we have to prevent Inkatha from coming. There's this issue in 1994 that we are fighting black on black violence. No, I'm not fighting. Our fathers are fighting black on black violence. You understand? So they needed to be armed. They needed to be ready. Already they were hurtful with Inkatha. At this point, it's Lusaka because these are exilists.
Okay.
Labuile. And then the only thing that they want, it is our land. Ilizwe. That is what is ringing in their minds. You have all these people that are so conceived or they are so consumed in the MK principles on what MK was supposed to do. And that's what they are doing. And then they have these pains of Emma training, they have been killed. And then they've been attacked. Sharp. Now they are here. And we have this Swaneville massacre. We are fighting Inkatha. At one point as a child, I see this event. There is this guy who was a leader in Inkatha at 2 and 3. He comes with a crescida, siyadlala singabantwana ngaMamswazi. So siyadlala. And in these comrades, the ANC, bavale ngaphambili, bavale ngemva. They close that car. Outside, phambi kwaMamswazi. Released 2 girls that were in the car. There was 1 guy in the car. We were told, go back. Because my father was always away.
Yeah.
And me and my father had that connection.
Yeah.
I'm like, I can't go away. The only thing I saw was the car, it was burning. And I realized, I come to Pumileyo.
Yeah.
Later on, ebusuku asilalanga ngenxa yamaphoyisa were there.
Yes.
Right. So there's this massacre, there's these fights that has been happening between Ilulatsand and Swaneville, and in these comrades around Swaneville, protecting Swaneville, also being cognizant of the people that Abaseluna sent that are part of Inkatha, in link with the people who are Mhlakeng, from the hostel Mhlakeng, the hostel Sekachis.
Yes.
So we know these things growing up. We kind of don't know, but we have a sense of what is happening. My father one day comes back home. He comes back home, Tatimi Konto, Yapuma, and everything. He follows in a direction that we don't know whether someone went there.
Like, right now, what comes in my mind, Ningabandwana, you see your dad living, and in Nalenduba, kungenzeka ngabe kuthini engqondweni yakho kuthini emzalini atmosphere apparently nithini kuyo yonke lento.
We never thought he's not going to come back.
Wow.
We always thought he's going to come back. So these fights, what has happened, has brought attention to the National Executive Committee of the ANC. So Mandela has been going around in every area where there's been conflicts to calm the situation for the sake of the negotiations. Wow. They forced ANC to calm things down. But the first thing that they did, because, in 1994, they built at the school.
Yes.
1994 asifundi.
Njengoba mna ulalong ndithi uMandela wayenze nje uzocelebrate bavula isikolo kanti
it was a clear mandate from ANC. Build a school. Makuvulwe ikhululekane in 1995. If you can go to the speech, if you can go to the pictures, sure I can give you that picture.
Yes.
Then these veterans, the ANC, then they are there with Nelson Mandela to calm the situation down. But at that point, singamaXhosa, thina united with the Tsonga seBlokwane.
Okay.
And few Tsonas.
Yes.
But sinendawo esingayi-understand yo apha kuqala eblock 6 uye block 9 sithi Soweto.
Ngoba babebuye eSoweto.
Sithi Soweto.
Ewe.
So him being there on that day, you know, Mandela was so powerful in the sense that he calmed a situation by words, not by security force. We accepted the people abasuke Soweto through his word.
So kwakuxatyanwa vele iSoweto
Sasingabathembi. Okay, maningathi sasingabathembi.
Babe kwakunalento banoba zizinitshi.
Yeah, zizinitshi because we're coming in with a different language. And ke ukhumbula ukuthi njengomuntu okwamadiba okanye umntana okwamadiba.
Yes.
Thina a toilet ngephepha linoMandela.
Okay, ngoba uyathuka, uyamthuka. Umdelele.
Xa ithethe uMadiba, xa ithethe uMandela, it was the word. And everyone, you know, I remember how they were angry over Chris Hani's death in 1993, leading to the years afterwards. But they were calmed everywhere in the country. They were calmed by what Nelson said. And that calmed the situation we had back at Swaneville.
Yes.
Yeah. That's how we then have that Mandela coming to open a school.
And you had an opportunity ke ngokuba nawe uma indulge.
No, I didn't. I was not
umncinci wena. But bungekho mncinci kakhulu.
No, that mncinci, but I was not there on the day of the event.
Yeah.
Because I was this kid who was told, hlala endlini.
Yeah.
Those were instructions. Yeah.
Ndifuna ke ngoku ngoba ndikubuze nge-relationship yakho notata. Unesi sikhukukazi apha endlini.
Umama.
Siyayazi yonke lento enzakalayo kodwa inafuneke agada amantshontsho ke ngoku. What's the first thing you would think of xa nisithi ninesi sikhukukazi apha endlini?
Yazi abafazi emampondweni banjani? Bayazi igadi igcwele intsangu.
Okay.
Ilula ke lona sibe ndicacisa. My father was very wise. He married a woman who was calm.
Yeah.
He married someone who was his friend. Now, this is a shocking part. They met when they were in standard 1. They were together in a school choir. Do you tell me that my father was lost? There's no way. They sang songs ngabantwana. And I'm like, Tati yazela playing ngokuthi besicula nonyoko.
Ndiyayivela voice yakhe.
So my mother would sing soprano and alto. My father would be baritone. Netena. Babala would pick up the alto. I have to pick up the tenor, but I didn't know how to sing. Yeah. So he always got angry. They knew the same songs, but we say quiet together. Up until he had to commit in other things, either ANC related or work related. That's how it goes. Yeah. So he knew he was marrying his best friend. So my mother knew every move of my father. There was no way that she can be that calm.
Yeah.
There was no way she can be that okay. Ebesazi kahle mhlophe what was happening, because there are things I cannot say live.
Yes.
That I could say, but mama buzaza.
Kodwa ke njengoba kuye kuthiwe indoda ayixeleli umfazi yonke into, what would you say?
It's a lie.
That? Okay.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
Kuthiwa indoda ayithethi yonke into emfazini. Ngoba kaloku i-weakness yendoda ngulo